this driveway to reseal and tint. We've got Princess Lucy here, my youngest daughter. She's masking up the seals. Say hello, Lucy.
Hello.
Yeah, she's also going to mask up the garage door. So I think I'll do one more sweep, and then I guess we just start. So this is definitely not a how-to video. This is how I'm doing it as a complete novice. So yeah, don't follow my instructions. Right, here we go. Two complete novices. We're using the old smart seal.
It's in the whole thing?
I'm not, I'm just going to tip half in.
Oh, okay.
So use, yeah. Oh, I'm nervous.
Just do it.
So it does pour down the side.
No, it's not pouring down the side. Oh no, it is.
Not?
It is a little bit. Now it looks really like thin though.
It does look thin now.
Are you actually adding more?
A little bit more in there.
Okay.
And then a little bit more in there. Okay, so we're going to start down
like
there.
They can't get into their house.
No, they're on holiday.
Oh. That makes sense then.
Yeah, so it's completely up to me on how strong or how dark all of it is. It's a bit scary. So I think we need to blow all these leaves down that end, or out there. Yeah, get the blower. It's a good job Lucy's here. She's just said, what happens about the drain? I said, well, you don't paint the drain. She said, yeah, but it's going to get paint on it. So yeah, she's going to tape it up. Well, here we go. So we're getting there. We've done that end of the drive. It's quite hard work, but it's gone well. I think it's probably the back that hurts most when doing it. I think you need a longer broom. I should have just gone to Screwfix and got the shorter, smaller version of this. The bulldozer, I think it's called. But I haven't, so we carry on. So Lucy's done the delicate bit, painting around the doorstep. We did make a small mistake. It's good to be honest. So we've been sort of dipping our brush into the water, but not pushing it all the way to the bottom, because a lot of the pigment is actually at the bottom. So when we got closer to the bottom, it was getting quite dark. So we're being sure to mix it right around as we go. So we're basically pros now. Do you agree, Lou?
What?
We're basically pros now, aren't we?
Pretty much.
Yeah. So there you go. Only takes a couple of hours to be pros, that is. Oh, we're still going. I've just been filling in the really light bits with a little extra coat of sealant. Lucy's down here doing the second coat with the anti-slip in it. Right, that is it for today. A little bit more sealer. We thought we probably would. And we want to do a really good job, so this bit's fully done. Just ordered it, so it should arrive tomorrow. And we're back tomorrow afternoon. Right, we are back again. Day 3. We've done about 4 hours in total. I did an hour, and then Lucy came back and did a few hours with us. But it's looking good. So we've just got the last coat to do. Yesterday I said about this bit being done. So yeah, we've just got to make it all look like that. So we're all mixed up. I've just dropped the paintbrush in there.
Can I use this?
Yeah. So yeah, I guess we start. We've just said we probably need to paint around the edges here as well. That looks a bit silly. And also in these cracks. From like this angle you can see how white it is. So try and get a paintbrush in there as well. The second coat is going on much nicer, sort of spreads more and a bit more even. I'm guessing because it's not like seeping into the stone. Last little bit, I'm wondering if that's enough, but it's all a bit of a guess. You'd like pressure washing. Right, that is the second coat all done. So we'll do the last few finishing touches and we'll show you the results. So that is us done. Lucy's just taken all the tape off the doors.
You know you could help too.
I could help, but I'm paying you.
Yeah, but it is also your job.
It is my job. Not anymore, it's Lucy's job. She's the masking taper.
So much more to do. Can you just at least do the drain?
No, I'm doing my video. That is us done.
I accidentally taped some wood lice to it.
Oh dear.
Look, there's one there, 2 there.
Killer.
This one's still alive.
Oh, you can rescue him then. Oh, mate, he's pregnant as well, look.
Actually.
Look,
Oh my god.
come here, little fella. Good. He likes it. Here he goes. Let's pop him into the garden.
Oh my god, there's so many.
There he goes. Oh, he's upside down now. There.
Oh my god, I've killed so many woodlice.
Oh
Oh
well.
my god, there's babies.
It was their choice.
Yeah, to be fair, I didn't tape them to it.
Need any help?
Yeah, I do actually.
A couple of the neighbours have just popped over to say how good it looks, which is always nice. And say the customer's away on holiday, so this will be a nice surprise when they get back. If I've not said it before, if you could like the video, maybe subscribe to the channel, as we're trying to grow it. And I could pay Lucy a bit more money then. But yeah, that's it for another one. Thank you.